Hi there, I am Anchisa or you can call me Pam. I work at Ling and I will be your another teacher aside from the Ananda to teach you the Thai lessons. And the topic of today will be Thai numbers and counting and other related terms. And I start with the goal of the lesson first. The first one is to get to know cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers in Thai, and the second one is to learn how to read Thai numbers. I will start with the first one, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers in Thai. As you can see in the table, there will be an ordinary number and the pronunciation of the number in Thai and the Thai written number. I will start one by one. Soon is 0. Ning is 1. Song is 2. Sam is 3. Si is 4. Ha is 5. Hok is 6. 7. 7 is 7. 8 is 8. 9 is 9. 10 is 10. 11 is 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. 14 is 14. 15 is 15. 16 is 16. 17 is 17. 18 is 18. 19 is 19. 20 is 20. 30 is 30. 40 is 40. 50 is 50. 60 is 60. 70 is 70. 80 is 80. 90 is 90. 100 is 100. 1,000 is 1,000. 10,000 is 10,000. 100,000 is 100,000. 1,000,000 is 1,000,000. And for the ordinal numbers, it's more like a level of the numbers. I will start with the first one. ที่หนึ่ง is first. ที่สอง is second. ที่สาม is third. ที่สี่ is fourth. ที่ห้า is fifth. And next is the how to read Thai numbers. I will start with the simple rule first of the how you read Thai number. It is similar with the English because we stack the numbers together, but the differentiation is that Thai doesn't have the and when saying the number. There will be just a plain number. For example, 136 or 136. And if you notice in Thai, it will only be just a plain number. There's no and in between. The second one, 350,000 and 711 หรือ 357,711. And that's all for the lesson of today. Thank you so much for your time. And if you have any questions, please comment below and then I will answer. Thank you.